So it's a couple days later, and I just got a call, I guess it was a couple days ago. So let me rephrase the whole thing. It's about a week later since I dropped off the new seat covers for the FZ, and I just got a call a couple days ago that they're all set, done, and ready to pick up. So that's where I'm headed. So yeah, let's keep our fingers crossed that the roads don't turn to absolute crap and I can get the seats and get home in one piece. That's the kind of stuff that happens when you're in Portland, Maine. Big boats block your way. You might be going down a one-way street. I don't know. Oh my god, the seats look so good. They did such an awesome job. They came out exactly like I was hoping they would. Oh god, horrible roads. Oh, come on car. Come on car. What are you doing, man? Come on. Now I'm running a yellow light. Yeah, where was I? Yes. The seat cushions look freaking awesome. Alright, whoa. Back home in the garage. I'm gonna roll the bike over, get the seats, put them on, and see how they look. Super excited. Guess that's it. Alright, the Shadow's all tucked away, and of course, next to those guys is the Viper. But right now, most importantly, the FZ. And if you've been looking carefully in the different shots, you may have seen the new seats, which are over there. Let's go check them out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here are the new seats. I am so super excited, so stoked. Man, oh man, these things just look awesome. I love the red accent. I love the different textures. So it just looks cool. It feels cool. I'm so stoked, so excited as I freeze my fingers off. Let's go get them on the bike. All right, the back seat, of course, is very simple. Yes, there we go. Look at that. That looks awesome. All right, and then this guy. There we go. God, my hands are so cold. Look at that. That's awesome. That looks so good. Wow. What a difference some nice seat covers make. So there you go, the first official FZ modification. Nothing major really, but it looks awesome. This is one of many modifications I have on the list. Cold, man, cold. Yeah, so this is the first of many modifications to come. It's pretty minor, but I had, my first mod was the one that was stolen. That was even more minor than this one. So this one became the first one. Now we'll go back to that one.
Who's on first? What's on second? I don't know who's on third.
Then we're getting into some more serious stuff. So yeah, there we go. First modification done. Looks freaking awesome. On to the next we go. But not in this video. It's gonna be another video, next video or whatever. Not this video. We're done for this video. It's freaking cold. My hands are about to fall off. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna try to be as quick as I can and then head home so I can get this stuff. Oh my god, I can't even talk.